Well, we have this a star cast of Badlapur, Sriram Raghavan's Badlapur, and the teaser is coming up on 2nd December, and we'll speak about that. It's been called a twisted entertainer. First of all, pleasure having you guys on board in Amma.
Thank you.
And Dinesh Vijan has told me specifically it's a twisted entertainer. So could you please illuminate us?
First of all, his name is Dinesh Vision. That's
Vision.
what I call him because he has a बहुत दूर की vision है उनकी.
Right.
Dinesh Vision बुलाते हैं. No, this is, I think this film हम लोग को genre में डालना हो तो उसको we would call it twisted entertainment because people will watch stuff which is slightly twisted but yet they won't get put off by it. They'll still, people could smile at it. You might even have a chuckle. But you will definitely get entertainment. It's not a film that's going to bore you. We are packing it in like just under 2 hours. So it's going to be a quick film, and we've all tried to be very honest with the film, all the technicians, everyone, I think, from day one. So it's for the audience to decide now how they like it.
Right. You've done like a Ded Ishqiya, which was a very quirky sort of, I think, a film, and your performance was appreciated a lot. Now, how different is Badlapur in the context, the sort of film that you've done so far?
Well, it's a completely different world for sure. Matlab, Ded Ishqiya was a very Muslim, social sort of a world. This is more contemporary in that sense. But like Varun said, it's quite twisted. So, matlab, you know, but at the same time, it will be something that will entertain you. It won't sort of bore you or put you off. So, I think the ambition or the idea is to keep doing different films. I mean, I like edgy cinema, I like quirky cinema, so I'll always try and continue doing that. So, hopefully, इसमें भी कुछ ऐसा ही आपको नजर आएगा.
And Yami, your experience of doing Badlapur, what exactly is your? I'm sure that you're not supposed to reveal your role and all that stuff, but
Yeah, I can't. तो फिल्म में क्या होता है?
you're playing Varun's wife by any chance?
Really?
Yeah.
अच्छा? पता नहीं, I don't know. It's everything's
Propose
twisted,
किया
yeah. We're all twisted.
Okay.
We're all
Propose किया था
twisted.
यामी को पर पता नहीं.
Actually,
हाँ,
Varun
yeah.
और नवाज उनका एंगल चल रहा है.
We've been actually told by the makers कि कुछ नहीं बोलो, but एक interesting चीज़ मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि most actors के first दिन पे वो लोग रोए इस पिक्चर में.
रोए हैं?
हाँ रोए.
Why?
Actually.
मैं तो रोई.
मेरे पाठक को तो मैंने सुना है कि आपने उनको शायद आई थिंक हॉस्पिटल तक पहुंचा दिया था बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टेन शूटिंग के टाइम पे.
ये अच्छे एक्टर्स हमेशा मारते हैं सेट.
नहीं वो एक
लेकिन ये रोने का
नहीं वो मिस्टेक से हो गया था वो सीन में. इट्स वेरी इंटेंस सीन बट आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी ब्लेस्ड दैट आई हैव गॉट टू वर्क विद ऑल ऑफ देम. या आई मीन दे हैव ऑल जस्ट एडेड to me so much. I've learned so much. No, I mean all of y'all. I honestly mean all of y'all.
Yeah, Nawaz.
I mean, yeah, obviously I can't say. I mean, I honestly mean all of them.
Right.
With him, we have a couple of scenes which are very powerful in nature.
Right.
So it was very interesting to see how he goes about his process.
Absolutely.
Observe that as a
Absolutely. He's had like a 200 crore cake.
Already, yeah. So
Mind-blowing
this
stuff.
makes
He's
our
having a
film
great
huge. We have an actor who's given a 200 crore gross.
Right,
so
right.
makes our film huge.
Okay, Nawaz bhai, you had a very interesting chemistry with Huma in Gangs of Wasseypur. So, क्या exactly आपका are you missing that or is Varun taking away the glory? What exactly is it all? Right. I'm talking the movie actually.
मतलब
नहीं बेसिकली मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि
मैं तो पूरा बता नहीं
दैट
सकता
गैंग्स ऑफ वसेपुर में जो आपका ऑब्सेशन था आपका हुमा कुरैशी के लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा ऑब्सेशन आपका था. मतलब बहुत ही आपने बयान भी बहुत अच्छे से किया था. तो क्या वरुण यहाँ पर वो आपको ऑब्सेशन को जो है वो छीन रहा है आपसे?
यहाँ पे वरुण कर रहा है, वहाँ पे वरुण का ऑब्सेशन है एक्चुअली.
मेरा ऑब्सेशन इनके साथ है एक्चुअली इसमें.
अच्छा, इट्स अबाउट डेड इश्किया पार्ट 2.
अब मैं कुछ
नहीं इसीलिए we calling it twisted entertainment.
काफी ट्विस्टेड है.
Twisted.
कुछ भी black and white नहीं है.
It's genuinely about these two characters,
Right.
Raghu and Layak, who come from two such different worlds.
Right.
And because of destiny or because of some unfortunate twist in life, they both get entangled.
Right.
And then how life goes ahead is
Right.
what drives. But these two characters.
Now, Sriram Raghavan is also known for, I think, a very quirky taste of music as well. And you were telling me that it has some very interesting sort of
Yeah.
songs as well. So could you please briefly tell us what exactly is it all about?
Why don't you tell everyone what I exactly told you?
It has some sad songs.
I said it has some really soulful music. तो ये बहुत अच्छी तरह गाते हैं और काफ़ी गानों के
ये
कवर
मैंने
भी
इसमें से
किए हैं
निकाला।
उन्होंने. तो मैंने इनको यही कहा था कि हमारे जो गाने हैं, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से मेरा बेस्ट एल्बम होने वाला है मेरे जितने भी 3 पिक्चरें किए हैं.
Who's done it?
Sachin Jigar. So I want Faridun to sing a song. So all Faridun's viewers are watching this.
Okay.
Already
And
requested him.
What is your take on
I'll decide after you sung the song. I'll give you my take.
Pressure is on you.
नवाज भाई, श्रीराम राघवन के साथ में काम करने का आपका तजुर्बा कैसा रहा? Because you've done work with all sorts of directors and he's a very fine director in himself as well.
खैर मेरा तो बहुत पहले से वो था, उनके साथ काम करना चाहता था मैं.
जी.
और जब पता चला कि इस तरह की वो हो रहा है तो ऑफकोर्स बहुत मतलब वो
जी।
था, मेरा तो पैशन था कि मैं ज़रूर काम करूँगा, चाहे 10 साल के बाद करूँ, लेकिन श्रीराम के साथ तो काम करने का मेरा बहुत पहले से ड्रीम था.
Finally, if you guys can just sum up the teaser and Badlapur in one word, if possible, or one sentence, starting from Varun Dhawan.
You know, it's very difficult to define this film in one sentence because
Yeah.
at one end it is a drama,
Ji.
it is a love story, it is a thriller. It's an action film. It's got all these elements packed into this film. But what I can say is this film is very close to reality. We've not given this out as yet, but it is. The film is based on true events
Ji.
that did happen.
It's based on a novel, I believe, and Sriram Raghavan did not allow you to read the novel.
We are not allowed to give out the exact details ki where it happened
Right.
because of respect to the
Yeah,
people that went through the story.
Sure,
So
sure.
we don't want to speak about
Sure.
ki kya hua tha. But it's based on true events, so everything I think we did felt very real. So I think the emotions very real.
Ji, your take on it.
Well, my take on this is essentially Badlapur is a story of revenge, and I guess how far would a person, and any normal person, would go to sort of take revenge from someone who's wronged him or his family. So I think it's that world, and you see the good and the bad. And I guess, you know, when people see it at some level, maybe you can relate to it because if something really bad happens to you, how would you react in a situation like that?
Right.
So for me, it's a human drama more than anything else.
And you're talking about the bad happens to a family and everything. I believe there's quite a lot of bold content in the movie as well, Varun Dhawan.
No, there is. I mean, it was necessary for the film because I honestly.
You're playing a streetwalker in the film by any chance?
No, I'm not playing a streetwalker. I'm playing Jimli, the character. She's a sex worker in the film.
Right.
And she's sort of the bridge between both
Yeah.
Raghu and Layak's characters. She's sort of, you know, the good and the bad world. So I can't tell you anything about it because my director is watching and he'll kill me if I give you any more details. Considering I always have verbal diarrhea and I always say everything. तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
Bilkul.
Since I did my first film, I always spoke about this, that why do we shy away? If there's a kiss supposed to happen between two people who love each other, or if you're supposed to show action in a certain level, this happens. You know, why don't we show it? Because often critics do criticize, oh, it wasn't real enough, or this doesn't happen in real life. So we've
Gone for it. Okay. What about Yami? What's your take on it?
To be very honest, you know, बचपन से we are taught this is good, this is bad, this is right, this is wrong, and
Right.
I'm no different. I hold the same opinion. But इस फिल्म को करने के बाद जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट भी पढ़ी और I think जब फिल्म हम शूट भी कर रहे थे तब you realize characters के ज़रिए that कुछ चीज़ें हैं which are beyond the concept of right and wrong. There is somewhere a mid path. There's something called grey. This is what I think Badlapur is all about, which is very
Right.
real, which is something beyond the concept of what the society has created or we create. So I think it gives you an insight, a little peep into that zone.
जी नवाज भाई किस किस्म का बदला मतलब है फिल्म में?
एक्चुअली मेरा जो है वो इस तरह का है कि लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं फिल्म के बारे में, लेकिन एक जनरली जो होता है ना कि अगर मैं आपके बहुत करीबी जिसको आप बहुत प्यार करते हैं
बिल्कुल
और
करते
उसको
ही हैं।
मार दूं
जी
हैं
जी अरे तो जो है
आप मुझे माफ कर दोगे?
अच्छा
आप क्या करेंगे?
मैंने कहा
आप
आप
क्या
तो
करेंगे?
राइट
मतलब मुझे माफ करोगे? आप क्या करेंगे?
वो तो फिल्म देखने के बाद पता चलेगा मतलब
गाना भी नहीं गा रहे, फिर जवाब भी नहीं दे रहे, क्या है?
Fantastic, lovely having you guys on Bollywood Hungama and looking forward to the teaser of Badlapur and the
December
film as well,
2nd.
December
December
2nd.
2nd.
And thank you very much and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching. Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.